This is number 8 from the 1999 State Math Counts Target Round. And essentially, this is a problem where you're comparing two different cylindrical mugs. One of them that has a diameter base of three, which means it has a radius of 3/2, and then the other that has a cylindrical base or a circle base of radius 4, which means or of diameter 4, which means it has a radius of 2. So you got radius 3/2 and radius 2. And it wants to find out what the height of the first one must be to equal, um, or the height of the second one must be to equal the volume of the first. And so they act like it's how much are you going to fill, but really what we're talking about is we could think about them. What would the height of the mug have to be for them to have the same volume? And then you can just forget about how much of the mug is filled or whatnot. Let's just talk about these being full mugs of the same volume. And so we start calculating volumes. And so for this one, the volume, well, of a cylinder is just 3/2 squared. So it's pi r squared times the height. And so the height is 6 and then pi. And then the volume of this one is going to be, again, 2 squared times the height, which we don't know, times pi. We want the volumes to be equal, so we multiply this out. You get 9/4 times 6, and so one of the three twos cancels out, so it gives you 9/2 times 3, so 27/2 pi equal to over here 4h pi. The pi's cancel. We need to solve for h. One of the best ways to solve for h in this problem is just to multiply both sides by 1/4, and if we multiply by both sides by 1/4, we get h equals, well, 27/8. And 27/8 as a mixed number like it asked for is 3 3/5. And so the height that this second cylinder water must fill up to is 3 3/8.